Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's the one and only Mikey Pipes. Wow, I am speechless. We just hit 10,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. Wow, Mikey Pipes is in love, in absolute love. Wow. New Year's, we hit 5,000 subscribers. And now, it's not even a month and a half later, and we doubled in size to 10,000. I am speechless. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate the feedback and support from the entire community. And wow, I'm blown away. So, as I've been saying, you love Mikey Pipes, Mikey Pipes loves you. You take care of Mikey Pipes, Mikey Pipes will take care of you with this giveaway. A pile of cash. Oh, but I tell you, if this channel even gets a fraction of the subscribers that Mr. Beast has to his YouTube channel with like 50 million subscribers, you better believe that Mikey Pipes is giving away boatloads of cash. Just like that. Matter of fact, mark my words right now. When we hit 1 million subscribers and I get that that YouTube play button, I think it's gold, I will have a pile of cash giveaway. Mark my words. You've heard it here first from Mikey Pipes. When we have 1 million subscribers, I am going to give away so much effing cash. I'm going to be like the guy on The Wolf of Wall Street. You're going to shove it down your throat and you're going to choke on it. All that cash. I'm just going to shove that cash all the way down your mouth until you choke on it. You'd be like, oh, give me more, give me more. But in all honesty, I can't give away a pile of cash. This is what I'm going to give away, though. But first, we have to go over the rules. As I said, we are going to have 10 days of prizes to thank my 10,000 subscribers. Now, unfortunately, I can't give away 10,000 prizes. Actually, I can, actually. Maybe I could, with great content. Yeah. Matter of fact, you've already won. Mikey Pipes, St. Mike commands thee that you have already won by watching my channel. Great content. All right, let me stop being cocky. Here are the rules, guys. Starting Monday, February 15th, and continuing for a total of 10 days. So Monday the 15th will be the first day. Tuesday the 16th will be the second day. And this, so on and so forth. You get my drift, right? But every day, starting Monday, there's going to be a video. In the title will be giveaway, day 1, day 2, and also with what else the video is about, like what kind of job we're doing. And in that one particular video, you'll have the opportunity to win that prize. So here's how to win. Number 1, you must be a subscriber, right? Once I pick the winner, which will be by my own choosing, by the way. It's not going to be a YouTube random comment generator. I'm just going to pick the best person to win. And that's by number 2. You will post a meaningful and related comment in that day's video describing how we'll use the item if you win. So, for example, let's say the prize for that day is the big black thing that's always in my mouth. Obviously, it's going to be a new one, right? In that comment of that video, you are going to say something related and meaningful. Make Mikey Pipes feel like you'll be appreciative of this if you win, right? and you're going to describe to me how you're going to use it if you do win. And basically, that's how I'm going to pick who's going to win that prize that day. All right? You're going to comment, hey, I like the big black thing, and I'm going to use it, and have you. No, but in all seriously, you just tell me, listen, I don't want you to win a pipe wrench if you're not a plumber. You're never going to use it. That's all I mean, right? All right. Rule number 3. You must also follow our Instagram page, and there's a link down in the description box down below. All right, number 4, that's it. No small print. All right, so let's talk about the prizes. You guys ready? I am. Here we go. Prize number 1. You're going to have this cool 3-piece alligator pliers set. Let me show you which ones. It's like these. These ones right here. All right, I just bought them a few weeks ago. I like them. I think they're better than Milwaukee. So this is one of the 10 prizes. All right, prize number 2, that big black thing. It's the Nightcore P12 GTS flashlight. It looks like this, guys. It's going to come with 2 batteries, like this, right? I pop this in the charger every other day, and I pull out the spare. It comes with a charger too. See that? That's the second prize. All right, moving on. You guys knew it was coming. The Milwaukee M12 cordless compact inflator kit. And Mikey Pipes is not going to be cheap with this. Mikey Pipes is giving you not the tool only. Mikey Pipes is going to give you the M12 battery with the charger. Why? Because Mikey Pipes loves you. That's why. The next prize, my best, my favorite, the Vito Pro Pack Tech XL 2-bag. And no, it will not be stocked with tools. Maybe when we hit 100,000 subscribers, I'll give away my tool bag, fully stocked with every single tool I have in it, brand new. Because realistically, that's probably, if I do the math, probably around a $1,500 gift. All right. Many of you have asked and made reference to this. So one lucky person for one day, and you'll get paid for it too, by the way. All right? You're going to get paid for the day. You're going to have the opportunity to ride along with me. You'll show up at our shop at 7:15 in the morning, and you'll be back by hopefully 2 o'clock, maybe 1 o'clock. Depends on the day. Mikey Pipes likes to go home early, but that's one of the other prizes. And yes, I'm dead serious. A lot of you have asked for merch, so I got 2 sets of the official Pipe Doctor hats, baseball hats. I got official Pipe Doctor masks, right? And Pipe Doctor t-shirts, right? So 2 days of the prizes will be that. All right? I know you guys are jumping for joy, all right? Hold on, we still got a few more left. Another prize for one day. 1 free service call, which basically equals 1 hour of labor, right? And if it's a small job and the material is insignificant, that's going to be covered as well. However, you must live within 5 miles of our shop. So our office is in Valley Stream. Our zip code is 11580. You must reside within 5 miles of our shop. Don't call me, saying I'm Mikey Pipes, I'm in Brooklyn, or Staten Island, or, Great Neck. Maybe we'll do Great Neck. Maybe, probably not though. Nah, we'll stop. We'll stop at New Hyde Park. But if you live in Massapequa, near All American Burger, Mikey Pipes definitely in. But if you're in Amityville, Lindenhurst, Babylon, beyond that, not happening, right? You gotta live within 5 miles of our shop, unless you meet one of those criteria, like living near All American. And if you happen to live near King Umberto's on Meacham and Hempstead Turnpike in Elmont, I'll give you 2 free hours. But you got to buy us pizza. All right, 2 more left. The Milwaukee Cheater Adaptable Pipe Wrench. You know, it's the red Milwaukee wrench. It has the extension on it. You're gonna win. You're gonna get an opportunity to win one of those. And last but not least, the grand prize. Drum roll, please. Bow. $200 US dollars. Who's better than me? Come on. I had to, throw the cash in there. But at the end of the day, I just want to say thank you. I really, really, genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, I joke around a lot. When Calvin was around before he got called into the National Guard, active duty, I ride his ass, But at the end of the day, I truly love what I do, and having this platform, this YouTube platform, as a way for me to show the world, what I do on a daily basis is the icing on the cake, really. Like, I am just blown away how fast this channel has grown, thanks to people like you guys. You guys are truly amazing, and the primary motivating factor for me to just have the next video be even better than the last, right? And I read the comments, I see the channel trolls, but at every single job, I try to be one more step ahead of the game, and I thank you guys for it, because you guys keep me at almost trying to be my best and perform the best. And if I'm performing my best, then my client is getting a real professional job done. So thank you all very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned. Monday, I'm going to post a video. We're going to have, giveaway day 1 with the prize, and also with the job that I'm working on that day. If the prize is the inflator pump, you have to make a comment on, hey, Mikey Pipes, I really want this pump because I'm going to do A, B, and C with it. I don't want you winning something where it's just going to sit in a desk drawer, right? It's got to be, relevant and related. You got to be able to want it. And you must be a subscriber, and you'll verify that. You'll take a screenshot of YouTube, and it'll show that it's subscribed. All right. Thank you guys so very much. Really appreciate it. The next milestone is 100,000, and I'm looking forward to it. We may get that in 2021. We just may. So thank you again. God bless. Be well. Stay safe. May God bless America.